as soon as you were the dinner for 300 people, who got in a chamber and single room, who got dinner for who? Who be a dinner for 300 people? Ni papa whisker and ni papa to party amano. Yamfi won two ni pebi. Your biggest mistake is comparison. As soon as you say, unso nyasumesi. And this is why we be a prayer and all that. Look at the intolerance in our country. There is tension. There is tension. And I'm not talking only about political tension. Oduro. Obia ya shishi bin wadene namo. Ukrosu obia. Hey! Ama dam no kosoro. A damo kosoro. Yes, yeah. Everybody calm down. Take it easy. Then when you own your gadgets, they take it easy. Yeah. When you own your gadgets, they take it easy, people. Take it easy. We'll be calm down. You'll be fine. Hallelujah. It ain't only this. Be very careful. This is a season. Bring the Christ revealed outline. See, did a wonderful work last Sunday in the F5 service when he brought a message to us from the Lord in a different angle with his outline. I want to use opportunity to thank the Lord for my mother, Dr. Christy Dotete. Yesterday, 1st September, came to bless us. Thank you. I'm grateful. We back us away. Oh, me feel. I had an honor. Hallelujah. So this is what Sia did on Sunday. How we can value and manage the moments and the time. Yeah. So not this one. Bring the outline, the main one. Have it all, outlined. Full version. Then I can deal with it very well. Solid foundational decisions for 2025. Out of all this, number 5 is what I want to repeat. Be very careful. Be very careful. Even if I make sure me who damn me hoso, damn me who I'm serious. She will be a kukoso nomini idea, and nams will be a pet trend on social media. Kwasi akeke bia no obi abegina yene so o keka nomni ade one more show there are evil eyes, evil intentions. Oh, did you notice that in Teuru? And you are come here contending with people. Young boy, pam, young girl, pam, young boy, pam. You think that is normal?